having a wonderful start to your week. Thank you for joining Nuts About Cars Weekend Budget Garage. So this weekend I got to enjoy another car show, but this time I did put one of my cars in it. So we put the Corvette, the one that I just had painted, just went to its first car show, and it was wonderful. It was at the church that I grew up in, Our Lady of Holy Rosary, here in Kenosha, Wisconsin. It was a wonderful, wonderful show. Really great turnout. I had been to that show. Maybe there's a squirrel running across the fence, and another squirrel, and another squirrel. Wow, it's a parade of squirrels. Anyways, yeah, I had gone to that show maybe 6-7 years ago. Yeah, I think it was at least 6. Oh no, it's been 5 years since COVID started. Probably. I think I went to that show back in 2018, and this was the year that I was able to return. And that was, I believe, the first year of that show, of that car show, where they had it on the lawn. But it looks like they graduated to being on the pavement. And wow, what a great show! Beautiful cars. I mean, they were beautiful cars. I really like my Corvette, but I think my Vette was probably way down on the totem pole when you guys see the video of some of the cars that were there. But mine looked good, got a lot of compliments, so that always makes you feel good. That's why we go to those shows. But boy, there were some beautiful cars, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. And what's most important, make sure you guys take care of each other and enjoy the cars. Like and subscribe if you like the content.
Yo puse mi agua allá arriba y no se cayó todo el camino.